In this video, we're gonna be doing this. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so in the last we're gonna be doing with the music again. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. And if you want to be TikTok famous, you just need to hit the subscribe button down below because this channel will really help you to do that. And now set your phone aside. Without further ado, let's quickly bump into the tutorial. Alright, so first thing first. So before starting this tutorial, I just want to recommend you guys that you should do some stretching of your legs and body, because I have seen people hurting themselves by doing this challenge. So I highly recommend you to do some stretching before doing this so that you will be safe. And these are some stretching exercises that you can try. But now I'm not gonna explain you the stretchings. Let's straight get into the video. Alright, so the first step we have that we need to kick our right leg up. For that, we gotta take our left leg up a little bit and we need to tap it down. And as soon as our left leg will go down, we need to kick our right leg up. And with that, if you observe, I am even bending my head towards my knee, and while tapping the left down, I am tapping it with full of energy. Alright, now with that, let's see what hands are doing. So we need to pretend like we are holding something in our hand and we need to throw it down. Let's combine it together. We go 1. Make sense? Let's go forward. After doing 1, we need to keep our right leg down. After keeping, we need to sit down like this immediately. In this, I'm balancing my body on my toes, and while sitting we need to keep that in mind that our heels should be inside. Cool. Now with that, let's see what hands are doing. Now we need to pretend like we are holding a lace packet in our both the hands, and we just need to tear it in 2 parts like this. Making sense? Let's combine and try to do both together. We go 1 and 2. Perfect. Once again we go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2. And lot of the people will not be able to balance their bodies because they keep their legs closed, and because of that our legs will not get space to balance our body, so we might end up fall down. And if we keep both the legs apart and try, the results will be different. Cool? Let's try that from the top. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2. Perfect. Let's go forward. After doing 2, now we need to place our hands on the floor like we are about to do push-up. At the same time, we need to open our legs too. And we need to keep this in mind that this step will come immediately after the tearing the lace packet step. Make sense? Let's try that on the count. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and open and open. Alright? Let's go forward. After opening your legs and hands, we need to shake our butt like this. In this, what I am doing actually, I am just rolling my legs onto my heels and my hips will take round like this, and our legs will be on the toe, and we need to roll our legs like this. So it will look like this, or if you want to shake your butt, you can do that too. You need to do it 4 or 3 times. It's really up to you. Make sense? Let's do it from the tearing step. We go 1 and we go immediately place your hands and legs, then we go shake your butt like anything. Perfect. One more time. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go tear your lace packet. Don't eat it. Keep your hands on the floor. Open your legs and we go shake your butt like you always wanted to. Perfect. Let's go forward. After doing this, now we need to hop like a frog and we need to take our knees close. In this, what actually happening is that I'm changing my full body weight to my hands and I'm taking my legs closer to my body. After that, we need to keep our legs back to the place. With that, we need to bend our back a little bit and our hands will be like we are in shock or something. Alright, so if I show you only the body, it will look like this. My back is bent, and with that my hands are like I'm in shock. Then I'll place my hands again down, and with that now we are gonna place our knees down. Alright, let's try that once again. So we shake our hips, then we'll take our legs like a frog, and we need to take our legs back to the place, then we'll jump and down. Make sense? Let's go once again. We go 5, 6 from the tearing step, 7, 8. We go tear the lace and we go 1 and open your legs like you're doing push-up, then roll, roll, roll and roll, and we go jump like a frog and we will open like we are in shock and down. Make sense? my knees are telling don't torture me, but for that I recommend you guys to wear kneecaps. So our last position will be this one. Make sense? Alright, now let's try that from the top. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1 and tear the lace, and we go 2 and we are about to do push up. Roll, roll, roll your toes and close. Then we go open and close. Perfect. Let's go forward after doing 2 and 4. Now here we just gotta make our left leg straight and our right will be there itself lying down. And with the right hand we need to bang it down 4 times, like we are about to say don't ban TikTok. And with that we need to tap our hips also. I know it's kinda weird, but I need to show it. So after going down, we need to take our hip out like this. I'll give you a simple trick to do this step. While taking out, your back should be straight, and while taking inside, your back can be in the normal position. Alright, so we go, take your position, then we go out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Make sense? One more time. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Take your position, left leg straight, right leg bend. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. You guys are catching up very fast. One more time. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Take your last position, left leg goes straight and right should bend. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Let's go forward. After doing 1, 2, 3, 4, we need to take our left hand forward over here and we need to turn our body. So we'll be facing to the ceiling. After that we need to take our legs closer and then we need to open it like this. I don't know what it called as. So yeah, while doing this our hands will be over here. Alright, so we go lie down and we'll open our legs. Make sense? And if you observe, while doing this I'm keeping my hips also in the air so that my legs will open more louder. While doing this I feel like I'm opening and closing an umbrella. So yeah, makes sense. Let's go forward. After opening our legs, we need to turn like this, like how we turn while sleeping. I don't know about you guys, but I do this. So basically while turning, I'm taking my right elbow's help to turn my body. So let me take the last position again. So first I'll keep my right elbow and then I'll turn my body. Then we gotta keep our hands again like we are about to do a push-up. And yeah, makes sense. Let's try that one more time. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. We did 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go 5 and 6. Take your legs apart and we go elbow and take your body round. Make sense? Little more fast. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. We did boom, boom. We want TikTok. Back and we go turn your body, legs apart and we go right elbow and we need to turn our body like this, like we are doing a push-up. Perfect. Let's go forward. After doing this, now we need to shake our butt like this. Let me show you the quick trick. For that we need to just take our chest out and we need to take it inside and out, inside, out, inside. How to take it out? We just need to take a deep breath so that our chest will come out. Alright, so if I do from this, it will look like this. So we go 1, just I'm taking my breath out and inside, so it is affecting on my hip. Make sense? Just take the breath. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8, go out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. I know I'm looking kind of funny, but yeah, let's do it one more time. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Make sense? We just need to do it 6 times or 5 times. It's up to you. But now we are doing 5 times. Make sense? Let's go forward. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After doing that, this is the part which people are struggling for. So take your last position. Now we just need to take our knees up. Like again we are about to do push-ups. And now we gotta change our full body weight to our left leg. With that we need to place our right little forward. Then we need to kick our right leg straight. Make sure that you're stretchable enough. After kicking we need to place it down like this. Make sense? So we are here and we need to kick and keep it down. And after stretching your legs, Make sure that you're keeping your back straight, and if you're not stretchable enough like me, you can take the support of your left hand. And after stretching, we need to tap our hips 3 times or maybe 2. Make sense? Let's try it one more time. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Place your hands and legs. We did 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go open your legs and we go 1 and 2. Then bend your legs down. Then we go hop, hop, hop. One more time we go. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go 1 and 2. Then we hop on our hips 2 or 3 times. Make sense? And that's it, guys. You got the routine. Let's read from the top. Slow, medium tempo. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. We did left leg up and we go 1. We go 2 and 3 and push up position. Then we go roll, 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 and we go close and 1, 2. Then break your knees and we go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we'll roll our body open and we go down and we'll shake our, and we go in the push up position, then kick and down, and 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Little more fast. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Perfect. You guys are catching up very fast. Little more fast. We go, this is tempo. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. We go 7 and 8. Go 1 and 2 and perfect. And let's try with the music.